Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today in this video, I am with this new earning website named DKS underscore VIP.cc guys. So guys, you will find that my current balance here is $20 and you can see that my email address here is given as profitclub27 at the rate gmail.com. Guys, you just need to simply register and enter your email address and create password and you will get a invitation code so that you can get a login access. So guys, I'm going to withdraw my balance here. You can see that here task will appear and I have recently completed my task. So I'm going to directly click on this withdraw button to take my withdrawal. So guys, I click on this withdraw button. You can see that my present balance is 3.8 USDT. So guys, I'm going to enter 3.80 here and I'm going to enter the BIP20 address guys. So I'm just going to copy it from my Trust Wallet account guys. So I just copy it from here. You can see that you have to use only BIP20 to withdraw. So guys, I just click on this button, BIP20 button. So guys, 3.80 I entered and I entered my wallet address here. You can see, and I will use my password here. So guys, I'm going to click on this confirm button to take my withdrawal. So guys, I just simply click on this confirm button and guys, it's saying that withdrawal is successful. So I'm going to check whether I have received my withdrawal or not. So guys, I just simply need to refresh my page here. So guys, you can see that I have received my 3.8 USDT from this website guys. Earlier it was 0 and it was now 3.8 USDT. So guys, you can see that this site is paying me instantly. So guys, you can see you can also earn the same income. You just need to click on this VIP section. Guys, you can see that here free plan is there. Here is VIP plan. VIP plan is just for $20 where you get around daily profit of 3.80 USDT and the total profit is 342 USDT just by investing $20 guys. Guys, below down you will find that the VIP 2 plan is there where you can unlock it by investing 98.00 USDT and guys, you will get the daily profit of 18.80 USDT and the total profit you will get around 1692.00 USDT. In VIP3 guys, you can unlock it by depositing 360 USDT and you can get the daily profit of 68.80 USDT and the total profit here you will get around is 6192 USDT, which is being insane. Guys, in VIP4 section you will find that the daily profit here is 338.80 and the total profit is 3492 USDT and the unlock price is guys 1800. You just need to deposit 1800 and you will get 338. Guys, VIP5 plan is there where you can unlock it by depositing 4000 USDT and you will get a daily profit of 798.80 USDT. So guys, below 9 you can see the around 9 plans, 10 plans are there guys and the last plan is of about 188.88800 USDT where you can get the daily profit of about 6888.80 USDT guys. So guys, you just need to simply click on this button and you can get a daily profit. Like I will show you how you can deposit. You just need to click on this button here. This page appear will somewhat like this. Just click on this confirm button and guys, you can choose any of the currency where you can want to deposit. So guys, you just need to choose. I am going to select this and you can see that as you will be given a QR code. You can either pay by scanning this QR code or by just copying address and paying. After that, you just need to click on this recharge complete guys and your plan will automatically get activated and you will start receiving your daily profit. So guys, here you can see that my present balance here is again 20. So I just withdraw my balance guys and guys, you will find the team option is there where you can find that invitation code is there. You just need to simply copy and share among your friends and family group so that if you did the deposit on first day on the level 1 you are going to get the commission percentage of 13% and in level 2 you are going to get a percentage of 2% after registration and guys in level 3 you are going to get around 1%. So guys, you can see that this profit is new and a good option. And guys, make sure that you have to invest or deposit USDT to gain the profit. And the level 1 is of about 20 USDT, which I already enrolled. And as you will find that the announcement option is there, where you can find that VIP 1 and VIP 2, all the plans similar to what I explained earlier. So guys, this is what I want to say. And in the me section, guys, you will find that the recharge option is there. You can discharge with any of this. So guys, this is the way how you can earn effortlessly and very easily. So thank you for watching the video. I'm going to post the video link into my description box. And guys, please make note sure that I am not a financial advisor, not a financial expert. So before investing into any such site, do your own research. This post is just for education purpose only. Till the time, thank you.